重要物件不要放在上面。
哎，你好。哦，我刚跟您打电话的，对吗？
对对
右手边就是了，对吗？
对对，往那个平台在的方向。
Let's take a look at my room. So glad that I like it. For someone who lives in a modern city, you can refresh yourself a lot by connecting with nature from town to town. Even though it's raining outside, I'm thinking about going out for a walk. Sometimes I don't like rainy days, but sometimes rainy days make me feel happy. Today seems to be the day. Good morning. I couldn't sleep well last night because it was so dark outside. I can't see any stars, so I had to turn on the lights. I felt a bit tired, but my energy was restored when I saw the view outside. Despite we can't see, nature has lots of power. I do enjoy Midtown. The atmosphere is so cozy here that I feel extremely relaxed. Rain, wind, and friendly people here are the things I like about this place. My only complaint is that I have to take a bus for 2.5 hours to get here after taking the high-speed train for 4 hours. A short trip reveals the truth about life. You will only receive the best parts of something if you accept the worst part. I'm going to the terrace top, that's why I came. On the way of exploring here, I saw lots of old women are still making handbags to sell. Although I didn't buy one, I was interested in what they do. As long as it makes you want to learn more about life, try something new. Even if it's a small thing, maybe just watch an insect or two, or observe what others do on a daily basis. Or you could just simply empty yourself through the balcony. Do as many small things as you can. You might bounce back with big smiles. Try it and you will see.